It's Christmas Day. I am back home surprising my family for Christmas, which was so much fun, and it's been so great. I just love being here this time of the year and just celebrating with family and proper family time. So it's been fantastic, and now I'm on my way down to take some photos. Christmas Day, we celebrate on Christmas Eve, so we did our biggest celebrating yesterday. And the sunset looks like it's gonna be so pretty. So excited. I'm trying to photograph these incredibly beautiful rock formations that we have behind here. They're called rauks in Swedish, and simply put, they're just really cool rock formations. And the sunrise is looking quite pretty. I only have one lens with me to Sweden because I was flying with hand luggage and had to minimize my packing. So I've only got my 85mm 1.4, which is probably one of my favorite lenses anyway, so that's why I brought it. But it is also challenging to only have one lens and not being able to zoom in and out. So that's quite interesting. And I think it's fun though, and we'll see what we get. Okay, mission complete. I think I got some cool ones that straight off camera, just looking really good. The reason I'm out here is because last year I did an exhibition here on Gotland with all my wildlife photos and so on, and it was really great. It was so much fun, loved it, and it went very well. But I got super inspired by the lady that I did the exhibition with, so we shared the room that the exhibition was in, and just split it down by the half, and I had half the room and she had half the room. And she was really awesome in general, and she's a painter, and she was painting a lot of the local flowers and nature and landscape and so on, and her paintings were gorgeous, really, really beautiful, and they really inspired me a lot to try to get out and capture the beauty of this landscape. So quite happy with this little session. Merry Christmas to you all. Hope you've had a wonderful holidays, and I'll see you in the new year.